Hey everyone, so today on Ginger's Who Cares Kitchen, we are going to make a fun and easy Halloween morning breakfast. We are going to do cinnamon roll intestines. So with that being said, let's get to it. All right, so this one's pretty simple. What you're gonna do, you're gonna preheat your oven to 400. And while that's preheating, you're gonna take cinnamon roll, 2 cans of cinnamon rolls, your favorite brand, make it simple. And we're gonna unroll them. So let's go ahead and do that here. And while we're doing that, if you enjoy what you see here and you check out my other content on my page, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also hit the notifications bell so you are notified when a new video is dropped, or I do one of my live streams, which I try to do a few times a week now. Okay, these are pulling apart a little easy. I guess it doesn't have to be perfect. We're making intestines, right? You can also find me on social media on Facebook and Instagram at Ginger Slaps with a Z, and on Twitter it's Ginger6. And then I'm also on Twitch where I do live streams over there at Ginger Slaps with a Z as well. Have a lot of fun. Been playing a lot of Phasmophobia if you were into horror, supernatural, ghost hunting. The game's really awesome, and it's interesting when you're playing by yourself. A solo ghost hunting mission. So just check that out. All right, we're just about done here with our unraveling of our cinnamon rolls. And then we're gonna put them in our lightly greased baking dish here. And in an intestine design. Yeah, okay, we'll go with that. Trying to, yeah, that one's whatever. Who cares, right? If it's a little messy, it's fine. We'll make it work. All right, so that's the last one. So, all right, let's figure out how we're gonna make these little intestinal tract here. I guess we'll just, there's one part of our intestines. This is interesting. All right. Probably should have looked at a few pictures before I started doing this. They're entrails, it's fine. Just make them swirly, right? I mean, I guess you could also, if you not up on Halloween morning for breakfast, you can also use this for a little gruesome treat at a Halloween party. All right, I think we're getting a little intestinal pattern going on here. Oh, I forgot to unravel one cinnamon roll. Trying to escape. This is, I guess, all right, yeah, I can see it looking like intestines. Okay. This would be great to bring in on, well, Halloween's on a Sunday. So, I mean, if you're working on a Sunday, you take them into your place of employment for your coworkers, or a Halloween party at school for the kids. Probably get a kick out of that. All right, well, I don't think I got much, we'll make it fit. Put it right on the sides here. All right, I'll hold this up and show you what I got going on here once I get this last piece put in. All right, so there is our cinnamon roll intestines pre-bake. All right, so I'm gonna throw these in the oven and then I'm going to deal with the frosting. So be right back. All right, so the frosting, I'm just gonna use the frosting that came in the cinnamon roll tube and just add a little bit of red food coloring. I use the gel food coloring for this. So I'm gonna scoop this out here. Nice and simple recipe. Ah, slipping out of my hands. Oh, this is gonna be so awesome. Alright, so to the side here, and add some red food coloring. Get some bloody frosting going on for our intestines. Might have been a little, oh, that's a nice red. Oh. This is so much fun. See that nice bloody red got going on there. And then when I'm done here, I'm just gonna put it in my little piping bag I got here. That'd be a little bit easier than trying to spread it on. We'll find out. Could be wrong. I'm gonna add a couple more drops. All right, I think I like that. So the cinnamon rolls, they bake for 10 minutes at 400. So got a few more minutes left on that. All right, so there's our blood for our intestines. Just gonna slap this in here. Always put the piping bag in a cup because it makes it easier to put the icing in it instead of holding it and making a mess. I don't need any help making messes. All right. All right, guys, so let's put that in the sink here. Bloody mess now. All right, so we're gonna wait a few more minutes for our cinnamon rolls to get done baking. Let them cool off for about 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and add the icing to it. In the meantime, if you would like to drop some comments in the comment section, what maybe a recipe I should try next, I'll pick one. So, all right, we'll be back when our intestines are baked. All right, so our intestines are cooled off enough where we can throw our blood on it. All right, so after baking for about 12 minutes total, this is what we got for our intestines before adding the red icing. So, all right, so I already got my icing in the piping bag here. And we're just gonna pipe some this bloody looking icing onto our intestines to give it that gross entrail look. Apparently I cut 2 holes in my bag, but oh well, that's doing its job. Now, what I should have done is saved a little bit of the white icing and maybe put some of that on top before adding the red icing to it. Give it like a little bit of a mucusy look. Sounds great, like you really want to eat it, right? All right, this is actually looking kind of cool though. Not gonna lie. Super easy, doesn't cost a lot of money to do, and it's quick. So I highly recommend trying this one out on the family, friends, coworkers, whatever. All right, let's put this here. All right, our end result of our cinnamon roll intestines. Ooh, Good shit. All right, now for the taste test. Okay, let's get a piece here. Ooh. All right, here we go. It's bloody good. All right, guys. Well, if you enjoyed my video here, there's gonna be more of these throughout the holiday season and might continue with it, doing whatever. Got a recipe wanna try? Drop it in the comments. You wanna say hi? Drop it in the comments. You can also hit that subscribe button so you know when my next video drops and when I go live with my live streams. And you can follow me on social media, on Facebook and Instagram at Ginger Slaps with a Z, Twitter, Ginger6, and on Twitch, Ginger Slaps with a Z as well. All right, guys, until next time, have a good day.